Hello and welcome back to No Excuses English. I'm Anna.
Hi, I'm Mark. Today's topic is super useful, speaking at the doctor's office.
Yes, many students freeze when they go to the doctor.
But not today. We'll help you speak step by step.
The title is Speak at the Doctor Today. Easy phrases for your visit.
4 steps. 1. Call the office. 2. Check in with the receptionist. 3. Talk to the nurse and the doctor. 4. Understand the prescription and what to do next.
Simple English, real situations. Let's start. Step 1. Call the doctor's office. First, the phone call. You call the doctor's office.
Ring? Ring? What do you say?
Start polite. Hello. I need to see the doctor, please.
Hello. I'd like to make an appointment.
Good. The receptionist will ask your name.
What's your name?
You say, my name is Mark.
They ask. What's the problem?
You say, my head hurts, or I have a sore throat.
The receptionist finds a time. Can you come at 2?
You can say, yes, I can come at 2. Or, no, sorry. Is 3 okay?
Great. You have an appointment.
Let's shadow these phrases. Repeat with us. Hello, I need to see the doctor, please.
I'd like to make an appointment.
My name is Anna.
My head hurts.
I have a sore throat.
Yes, I can come at 2.
No, sorry. Is 3 okay?
Nice work. You made the call.
Step 2. Check in at the reception desk.
Now you go to the doctor's office. You see the receptionist.
Be friendly. Say, hello, I have an appointment at 2 o'clock. My name is Mark.
The receptionist says, "Okay, please sit down. The doctor will see you soon."
Sit in the waiting room. There are chairs, maybe magazines.
Then the nurse calls your name. Mark?
Yes, that's me.
Great. Easy, polite English.
Shadowing time. Repeat after me. Hello, I have an appointment at 2 o'clock. My name is Anna. Okay, thank you. I'll wait here. Yes, that's me.
Perfect. You checked in like a pro.
Step 3. Talk to the nurse and doctor. Next, you meet the nurse.
The nurse may ask, "How are you feeling?"
You can say, not so good, or my head hurts.
The nurse might check your temperature.
You'll hear, I'll take your temperature.
Or, "Please sit down. Please breathe in and out."
Then the doctor comes in.
"Hello, Mark. What is the problem today?"
You answer, my throat hurts, or I have a headache.
The doctor may say, "Let me see." You open your mouth and say, "Ah."
The doctor listens to your heart. Breathe in, breathe out.
After that, the doctor tells you the result.
You have a cold, or you have the flu.
Then, the doctor gives you advice. Rest and drink water.
Sometimes the doctor gives you medicine.
That paper is called a prescription.
Let's shadow the key phrases. How are you feeling?
Not so good.
My head hurts.
I have a sore throat.
Open your mouth and say, ah.
Breathe in, breathe out.
You have a cold.
Please rest and drink water.
Here is a prescription.
Great! You just finished the hardest part.
Step 4. At the pharmacy. Now you go to the pharmacy.
The pharmacy is the medicine store.
You say, hello, I have a prescription.
The pharmacist says, can I see the paper, please?
You give it and wait.
The pharmacist gives you medicine and explains,
Take 1 pill in the morning.
take 2 pills after lunch.
Drink water with the medicine.
Don't drive. Rest today.
You say, Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
Let's shadow. Repeat after me. Hello, I have a prescription.
Can I see the paper, please?
Take 1 pill in the morning.
Drink water with the medicine.
Thank you very much.
Simple and polite. Good English for real life.
Role play 1. Making an appointment. Let's act it out. I'm the receptionist first.
Okay, I'm the patient.
Hello, doctor's office. How can I help you?
Hello, I need to see the doctor, please.
What's your name?
My name is Mark.
What's the problem?
My head hurts.
Can you come at 2 o'clock?
Yes, I can. Thank you.
Great. See you then. Now your turn, listener. Fill the gaps with your own answers. Hello, doctor's office. How can I help you? What's your name? What's the problem? Can you come at 2? Perfect. You did it. Role play 2. At the doctor's office.
New scene. You arrive at the doctor's office.
Hello. How can I help you?
Hi, I have an appointment at 2. My name is Mark.
Okay, please sit down. The doctor will see you soon.
Thank you.
Mark.
Yes, that's me.
Hello, Mark. What's the problem today?
My throat hurts and I have a headache.
Let me see. Open your mouth and say, ah. Okay, you have a cold. Please rest and drink water.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Feel better soon. Shadowing. Polite power.
Let's practice now. Repeat these power lines. First we go slow, then we go normal.
Slow speed. Repeat after me. Hello, I need to see the doctor. I have an appointment at 2 o'clock. My head hurts. I have a sore throat. You have a cold. Take 1 pill in the morning. Drink water and rest. Thank you, doctor.
Normal speed. Hello, I need to see the doctor. I have an appointment at 2 o'clock. My head hurts. I have a sore throat. You have a cold. Take 1 pill in the morning. Drink water and rest. Thank you, doctor.
Mini quiz, listening and speaking. Quick quiz. Say the answers out loud. 1. You call the doctor's office. What do you say?
Hello, I need to see the doctor, please.
2. You arrive at the clinic. What do you say first?
Hello, I have an appointment at 2 o'clock.
3. The nurse asks, How are you feeling?
Not so good. My head hurts.
4. The doctor says, You have a cold. Please rest. What do you answer?
Thank you, doctor.
5. At the pharmacy, what do you say when you give the paper?
Hello, I have a prescription.
Build your script. 5 lines for the doctor. Now build your 5-line doctor script.
Line 1. Hello, I need to see the doctor.
Line 2. My name is...
Line 3. My head hurts. Or, I have a sore throat.
Line 4. I have an appointment at 2. Or, I need a prescription.
Line 5. Thank you, doctor. Have a good day.
Say your 5 lines now. Out loud.
Hello, I need to see the doctor. My name is... My head hurts. I have an appointment at 2. Thank you, doctor. Have a good day.
Great. Save your script on your phone. Use it today. Common phrases you may hear. Here are common phrases you may hear.
Receptionist, can you come at 2 o'clock?
Please fill this form.
Have a seat.
Nurse, I'll take your temperature.
Please breathe in and out.
Doctor, you have a cold. You need to rest. Drink water.
Pharmacist, take 1 pill in the morning.
Do you have any questions?
Your quick answers. Okay, thank you. No problem. Got it.
Recap. Big ideas. Let's review.
Step 1. Call the doctor's office. Hello, I need to see the doctor.
Step 2. Check in. I have an appointment at 2.
Step 3. Talk to the nurse and doctor. My head hurts. I have a sore throat.
Step 4. Pharmacy. I have a prescription. Take 1 pill in the morning.
Use polite, short lines. Breathe and speak slowly.
You can do this. Practice your 5 lines before your next visit.
Post your 5-line script in the comments. We will correct the first 10.
Speak at the doctor today.
No excuses.
Bye for now.
Bye.